Login and onboarding. Once your manager adds you as a Freshcaller agent to his Freshdesk account, you can start using Freshcaller to make and receive calls. You can use your Freshdesk login credentials to log into both your Freshcaller and Freshdesk accounts. Log into your account by filling in your email ID and setting a password. A successful login will take you to your Freshdesk account. Go to the bottom left of your screen to find your Freshcaller call icon. From now on, all your calls can be managed from here. On clicking the call icon, the widget expands to show you the recent calls, your current number in use, and other functionalities. We are going to check how this widget can be used to handle all your phone conversations from within your Freshdesk account.